Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how you can close apps on your iPad. This works in landscape or portrait. As you can see, I'm in landscape, and what I'm going to do is swipe up from the bottom of the screen about halfway up and then release. So let's do that now. I'll swipe up slowly about halfway and release. Now I can see all of the open apps. I can scroll all the way to one side and all the way back. To close the apps, all I need to do is swipe up. The app is then closed. If you have many apps open, you may want to do more than one. You can do 2 at a time, and you can even do 3, 4, 5, as many as your hand or hands can do. In fact, let me know in the comments how many you can close with one hand. Once you're done closing your apps, just click in a clear space and that disappears. So I hope that's helped you close apps on your iPad. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up. Really appreciate it, as it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day ahead.